I suppose one of the issues with the use of AI is there are risks associated with it as well, and perhaps one of the things that we need to give some real kind of consideration to in particular is the data. So what happens with the data that we input into AI, and what kind of considerations do we need to have around that? I know that's something which we've had lots and lots of discussions around. So I don't know, maybe whether you want to say something around that and how we need to consider the use of data in terms of keeping that data safe.
Well, I think at least for us, when we go do an inspection, schools are obliged to send us documentations. And that information and documentation can contain sensitive information about students, about the schools, about staff, about parents. And they need to trust us with that information, that we handle that in a safe and ethical way. And so it's the same if you go to a doctor and you trust them with your health information. So it's the same when they come to us. I think with the AI tools now, why this is especially important is that a lot of inspectors, but also as private persons, we have these AI tools available to us on our computers, on our phones. So it's very accessible. And it's quite tempting to you have all of this information, you're busy at work, you just want to get some help and you want to just put all of this information into AI and they can help you get a kind of a summary of that information or whatever you need help with. But, however, you need to be aware of where that information goes. Where is it stored? Who has access to that information? These servers, where is it stored? What do you do with this information? Where does it go? And so it's very important that you kind of do an assessment of those risks before you start using these AI tools.